Let me show you real quick. That I represents 15. All right, now I started this. We in the month of December. I'm really very athletic and all those different things. However, I found a way to try to build up some endurance and stamina. So the I showed you represents a set, right? So that day, I think I did 135. And then on that day, I did that there, right? 30, 60, 90. 105 there, right? And then you got that there. That might have been my biggest day there. I could have kept going, but I'm kind of balanced it out. Not trying to make it too much, too complicated. You know what I'm saying? Got my booster shot that day, so my arm still tore up. Then there, so I'm at 9. I'm not really fan of the number 9, so I'm doing another rep and then add that I. I ain't got much here, so let's go. Let me stand out. I'm gonna pause. Here we are, last sprint. I'm at 10 reps. All right, bye.